歌える to be able to sing. The verb 歌う means to sing. The verb 歌える means to be able to sing. Please watch this video. And 歌える or we can say 歌える. This verb has two pitch accent pattern. 歌える or 歌える means to sue. 歌える or 歌える or 歌える So we can say 歌を歌える
歌を歌える or 歌を歌える Both of them are good, which means to be able to sing.
And if you sue a girl whose name is Uta, you can say 歌を歌える or 歌を歌える to sue 歌歌を歌える歌を歌える If you have some trouble to pronounce this tiny つ I believe that you should pronounce the consonant つ So 伝える or 伝える If you say that, almost all native Japanese speakers understand you are trying to say tiny つ歌える歌える歌える歌える伝える伝える Please watch these videos. Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。